I'm over 72, and I feel great.
I don't know what the that was.
What's up guys, this is RKA back again with another video, and I don't know if you can tell or not, but I got a new mic. Now I got a new mic and the name of it is the Blue Snowball Ice. It's a very common mic for YouTube. Highly recommend it, but I'll get into that more later. But yeah, I just got it in the mail a couple days ago. I've been doing a few tests with it and I figured out how to make it sound the best, and yeah, it sounds really good honestly by itself. I'll be doing a few tests with it later in the video, but right now, I just wanted to explain it a little bit. So it came in the mail a couple days ago. It only took like a week to get here, so it's pretty good. Now I opened the box. Actually, when I opened the box, I ended up cutting my thumb, but yeah, I opened the box and it came with like it has like a USB cord that it connects to. So it only connects to your PC using USB. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, it came with a nice little stand. Also, the stand isn't too big. It's pretty small, but it's definitely high enough that you can use it, of course. I kind of wish it did come with a stand that could extend a little bit more, but it's pretty good the way it is. Now, one thing I would like to say is that this thing is like way bigger than I thought it was.
That's what she said.
Now, when I saw videos on it looked pretty small. I didn't know it was like this big. When I opened the package, it literally was just a big white ball.
That's what she said. Don't you dare.
I got it around $50. It was $49.99, I believe, and free shipping, so that was cool. And it came with like a little booklet showing like things like you can use the mic for. Apparently, like you can use it for like singing and stuff. So if you're out there trying to make it on YouTube as a singer, maybe you want to buy a mic like this, and it'll be a good mic to start off with. Now I highly recommend this mic if you're first starting YouTube, and maybe you just want like a mic that's not too expensive, but maybe in like the mid-range area, because this does cost like around like $50. So it's not too bad, but but some people may not be able to get it. But if you are able to get it, trust me, it's definitely worth the buy. And yeah, that mic actually has a good amount of bass, like without editing and stuff like that. It's not too bad actually, but it sounds way better after I edit it. So I'm really liking this mic. It's way better than my old one. If you heard the way my old one sounded, then you can probably tell it didn't actually sound bad because I use programs like Sony Vegas and Audacity to enhance the sound and make it sound better. So my old mic ended up sounding like a really professional mic. And shout out to that guy on Twitter that DM'd me who said that my mic sounded really good, and he asked me what I did to improve it. So he basically gave me the idea to make a video on how to make your mic sound more professional. So if you do want to see that video in the future, let me know in the comments, because if you have a cheap mic, I can definitely show you a good way to make it sound better and make it sound like a professional mic. But more on the Blue Snowball Ice. This mic sounds amazing, and I'm really glad I bought this. I was gonna go with that, I think it's called CAD U7 or U37, something like that. But I'm pretty happy that I went with this. This is a good buy. And yeah, now let's move on to the sound test. This is probably what you was waiting for. So this is how the mic sounds without any editing at all. I didn't edit it in Sony Vegas or Audacity. I'm literally just sitting here talking to the mic. And now as you can see, it does sound really, really good. Like I said, you don't even have to add any bass to it or anything like that. It's pretty good. See, if I talk close to it like that, you can definitely tell this is a really good mic. So this is how it sounds with editing. I only use Sony Vegas for editing the audio, not Audacity, only because I don't really need to use Audacity. I use Audacity for like noise reduction and stuff like that, but I don't use it for like the actual like bass and treble. I use Sony Vegas for that, and as you can see, it sounds a lot better. It sounds really cool, and yeah, I love it. But like I said before, you can use it without editing. It really doesn't matter. Yeah, like I said, it doesn't sound bad at all, like without editing and stuff. You could definitely use it without editing it in Sony Vegas or Audacity. But with this new mic, like rather than like I did with my old mic, I edited it in Audacity and Sony Vegas. Now I only have to edit in Sony Vegas just to add a little bit more bass because it sounds nicer. But yeah, you could just use it by itself. You don't need to enhance the sound or anything. It sounds really good. And the good thing about this, you don't have to be all up on the mic. Like you can be not far away, but like not too close. As long as you speak loud enough, it will pick it up. This mic is very portable. You can use it when you're like traveling or anything like that. It's a very good mic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up. And if you're considering buying this mic, I'm gonna tell you now, go ahead and buy it because it's pretty cool. And if you haven't already, please check out some of my other videos. And if you're watching this right now and you're not subscribed to my channel, leave. No, I'm joking. Do not leave. If you're subscribed, if you're not subscribed, please hit that sub button. And I hope you are ready to see more videos in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice one. Peace.